Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jane to explain now. See, the phase 1 results are out and most of the students are even satisfied with their college. But some of you guys are still not even satisfied with your phase 1 rank. So you may be thinking that you should try in the phase 2 for a better college, right? So in this video, let us understand what are the mistakes and what are the things that have been done till now and what are the upgrades that you can do to get a better college. Let's get in the video. See, before going into the video, let's understand the entire phase 2 counseling timeline. See, July 17th, that means yesterday, was the registration, processing fee payment and slot booking for the new candidates only. You don't have to do anything. And July 18th, which is today, was the certificate verification day at the helpline centers for the slotted book candidates. And today and tomorrow is the web options entry, and that is mandatory for fresh list for every candidate. See, this I will explain you in the later on video. And July 19th, which is tomorrow, is option freezing deadline. No changes allowed after this. That means at tomorrow 11:59 p.m. It's the deadline to freeze your options. And July 22nd is the phase 2 provisional seat allotment result declared. And here no mock allotment, nothing. And from July 22 to 24, tuition fee payment and self online reporting for allotted seats. And July 25th to 28th is the physical reporting time to allotted college with your original documents. All right. Now let's understand the core problem. See why your phase 1 options don't carry forward. I need to make it clear that your phase 1 options are only valid for phase 1. In the phase 2, if you are someone with rank even 1, you should have to keep again the web options. See, filled seats are removed from the pool. For example, 1000 seats are there and 500 students are satisfied with their rank with their seats, then 500 seats are removed from that and only 500 seats are again added back. The seat matrix is recalculated. See, TGCHE reveals vacancy data fresh for phase 2 based on what's actually still open, not what was open in phase 1. Entire algorithm changes as per the available seats and the students what they have kept in the web options. And new candidates join the competition. Already the competition was for 1000 seats and 500 are removed, and example 300 students are more added. Now for the same 500 seats 800 competitors will be there, and new candidates and the TGCHE discards save phase 1 list by design. See, the portal will not autofill your old rank options. Every candidate must submit a completely new list. So create a new list and go with the new list and try to gain a nice college this time. And now know the difference between phase 1 and phase 2, what actually changed from your last phase 1. See, in the phase 1, full seat matrix available across every college and branch, and in the phase 2, reduced seat pool and phase 1 confirmed seats are removed. See, in the phase 1 there was a algorithm that is suitable for the entire college seats, but right now if a college has CSE seats of only 100, then if and it allowed only 80 students to enter in the phase 1 and it allowed it only for 80 students, then the only around 200 students will fight for 20 seats in that college. And wider competition, entire qualified candidate pool. See, there may be some reasons where some of the students will not participate in the phase 1, but in the phase 2 the competition will be much higher than your phase 1, because here the seats are reduced and the competition even adds up. In the phase 2, tighter cutoffs at popular colleges due to fewer open seats. Then you need to understand and keep the web options wisely in these scenarios. And coming to the third point, cutoff reflect first round demand estimates. See, the entire game is played here. The cutoffs are decided after your phase 1, so you can make preferences. Don't here in the phase 2, don't follow the last year cutoffs, follow the freshly first phase cutoffs. New place upgrading candidates added to the competition, and broadest range of college branch combinations open. See, here you need to target every college and see if a college is around 100 seats, then all the 100 seats are available for you. But here some sliding of phase 1 allottees open fresh combinations, because some of them take satisfied with the seat and they take then they go for opting that college, then here the combinations change accordingly. And now do this before your rank or web options. See step by step building your fresh options list. At number one, pull updated rank and cutoff category cutoff. See, go to the official website and pull off your cutoff list, and then rank branch first, then college. See, always target for a good branch rather than a college, because if you choose a right branch, then you can acquire skills that will be so helpful in the future to get you a job rather than in college. See, college is just a myth, because with a good college you will be having some good faculty and good environment, but what you need to study is skills. And if you don't learn skill in your entire 4 years, then at the end even college can't do anything, right? So have that competition and have that self confidence that you will be getting out of that college with a good package rather than some nice memories. Now, balance ambitions, moderate and safe options. See, always divide your colleges into three types: dream colleges, medium colleges, and safe colleges. See, dream colleges are like that colleges that will be so difficult for you to get a college, but in the safest and realistic colleges, you should definitely crack that zone. And now, never submit a short list. See, even if you have some 100th rank or 200th rank, never go for 4 to 5 options because you are at a safe zone or with a good rank. Always try to fail around 30 to 40, because you never know what happens. And now, recheck local and non-local eligibility. See, you have a reservation of 85 is to 15. That means 85% seats are reserved for local students and 15% seats are reserved for non-local students. So keep that in your mind and keep accordingly. And now final review, then freeze. See, after keeping every 5 to 10 options, save the list, because it's a government website. We cannot know when it will kick you out of the website and log out to you. So after every 5 to 10, if you save, even if you log out and log in, the options will be saved. Now, what are the things that you should avoid? See, mistakes that are costing candidate seats. Reusing the exact phase 1 rank list. See, copy pasting old rankings ignores that the seat pool has completely changed. See, you cannot copy paste the entire phase 1 web options in the phase 2, because the competition has been increased, the amount of seats have decreased. So you need to think something differently. And now, ignoring updated seat availability. Many phase 1 seats are already filled. Check live vacancy before ranking. If you are someone who want to go or target EC, then rank the colleges where the seats are maximum to minimum. And now, only listing dream colleges. See, if your rank is 1 lakh and your dream college is CBIT or VNR, and if you only select that, then in your entire life you won't get there. You need to go with the save options too. And now, skipping revised fee verification. See, High Court approved fee hikes apply to specific college codes. Confirm that codes before taking admission into it or keeping that in your web options. Now, missing the July 14th fees deadline. See, the keeping web options or payment of fee, they don't have any extension of time. So always go with the deadline and don't do any mistakes by not filling at the correct time. See, now quick facts, reservations and local area reminder. See, I already said you that 85 is to 15 local split, 85 is for local students and 15 is for non-local students. And category ladder. OC, BC, SC, ST, EWS reservation applied as per the Telangana government norms. And special categories. See, PWBD, physically handicapped, CAP, NCC, sports candidates need certificate validation to claim benefits. If you have any of the certificates, claim extra benefits. And fee reimbursement. See, E-Pass reimbursement applies only to convener quota seats, not management or NRA seats. Final checklist. See, before you freeze your options, check that fresh option list submitted. See, don't copy your phase 1 list, and cutoff data double checked for every phase 2 vacancy. Then local and non-local eligibility confirmed, and safety college included, not just dream picks, and full list reviewed and frozen before July 19. And if you have any other doubt, comment on phase 2. I will reply to your comment and then you can share your doubts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.